How to change photo background using FaceApp. Want to transport your selfie from your room to a beach, a city skyline, or even outer space? Here's how to change your photo's background using FaceApp in just a few taps. First, launch the FaceApp application on your device. Now select a portrait photo from your gallery. Now once your photo loads, scroll to the filter bar until you see background. You can see background is right here. Tap on background. Now you will see a variety of built-in options like present, vacation, nature, and more. Now tap on any background to instantly see the transformation, like this. Tap on any background. You can reposition or zoom in and out on your face to fit perfectly with the new background like this. Like this, you can reposition it. Now once you are satisfied, tap apply. Now tap save to download your edited photo. And that's it. That's how you change the background of any photo using FaceApp. Quick, powerful, and totally social ready. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments where did you move your background to. Thank you for watching.